Hi, this is Archie, and welcome to your Roblox Customer Portal Guide. In this section, we will add your product information. Setting up your SKUs with detailed specifications will make code creation incredibly fast. You'll just need to enter your SKU codes and quantities, and the system will auto-populate all other informations needed. So let's begin. To start, just click on the items/SKU button on your left side, and then on the upper right-hand corner, just click on Add SKU, and just fill in the required information. So basic information includes description, which is, let's say, cat shampoo. All right, then add an SKU code, and then package type, of course, boxes. Now for the box dimensions, remember this is the outer box, and you can use actually centimeters or inches. Your option. I'm gonna use centimeters. That's 50 by 45. And then for the weight, it's the same. You have your option to use kilograms or pounds. I'm gonna use kilograms. Put like 10 kilograms per box. And then total units inside. Like I mentioned earlier, this is the outer box. So the number of quantity of shampoo boxes inside is what's needed here. Let's say, for example, 50. And then let's add your manufacturer. Let's use Archie A LLC. And then the currency is USD. Price is 100 USD. That's it. Just click on add, and you now have your item SKU loaded. Excellent. You've now completed your data foundation setup with both customer party and product information. This information you will make requesting codes incredibly fast and efficient. But before we jump into creating codes, in the next section, we will discuss two important concepts that will help you make the right choices when creating or requesting for a code. Thank you for watching.